Introducing our next-generation liquid-cooled energy storage cabinet, engineered for safety, performance, and efficiency. With advanced liquid cooling, battery cell temperature differences stay under 3 degrees Celsius, ensuring stability and longer lifespan. Powered by LifePO4 technology, it delivers safe, reliable, and consistent energy for demanding applications. Combines BMS and EMS for intelligent diagnostics, optimized energy distribution, and seamless renewable integration. Equipped with multi-level fire safety, including temperature and smoke detection, aerosol suppression, and full extinguishing system. Its modular design supports parallel expansion, easily scaling to meet growing energy demands. With smart monitoring, it enables peak shaving, valley filling, and capacity management for maximum efficiency. YJC Liquid-Cooled Storage Cabinet. Smarter power, lower bills, greener future.